In order to spray paint this muffler, we're going to need a flathead and a hammer to bring down the washers flat. Once removing the muffler from the lawnmower, we are able to inspect the muffler to ensure there are no rusted holes. Once inspecting it, we're going to use a wire brush and engrave it onto the muffler, as well as clean up the bolts in the washer itself. Using blue masking tape, you're able to cover up the intake of the muffler. After covering up the intake of the muffler, position the muffler, the bolts, and the washer apart from each other and use Rust-Oleum high heat. Apply spray paint and a light coating in between a 15-minute interval, ensuring that all the bolts, the washer, and the muffler itself is covered evenly. Once the paint is dry to the touch, reassemble all the pieces back together, then turn on the lawnmower just to make sure the paint itself cures.